For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Bandletic, B-A-N-D-L-E-T-I-C, just like it sounds, and their Samsung watch bands. So let's go ahead and dive right in, as I like to say. So we're going to do the unboxing as usual first, and then we'll go over some tech specs. So again, this is for the Samsung, and I'm going to show you two different kinds here, both green. My preference, I like green, OD green, stuff like that. So as always, they snap on. I have the Watch Ultra, and they snap, they push on, snap right on. And here comes our little friend Otto, who's a Maine Coon cat, so he's checking everything out, make sure it's right. So go ahead and move over there now, don't beat it up. We're trying to do something here, bud. So they're pretty simple in the way they operate. You pull them out, and the Velcro, they're kind of stiff at first, but I've been wearing them now for quite a while, several weeks, and they are very, very comfortable. Very stylish. They have multiple different patterns and colors. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get them. And here's another one, Bandletic. And let's go ahead and unbox. Real simple unboxing. Pull it out, open up. And this one's kind of cool. It has like a special kind of latch that you pull up on the latch. It's all full of plastic here right now, so let me see if I can get that off. Yeah, okay, cool. But you push up, pull up on the latch, and at the same time you pull, and it comes out. I'm pulling in the wrong direction here, I think. Yeah, there we go. So let's go ahead and undo the Velcro and push up and pull is what I was doing wrong. And it's magnetic, which is cool. Trying to put a band on with one hand you have the watch on, the other hand you're trying to put it on with. So that was a pretty neat feature that they did, making it magnetic. So let's snap the one end in, snap the other end in. Samsung really hit a home run with this when they made the new push on to attach bands. They're universal. I want to say it started with the 7 or whatever, but I have the Ultra, the first Ultra. There's Ultra 1 and 2. They're all the same, pretty much, pretty close. So we'll put this on, and again, it's magnetic, and all I have to do is just push, and see it's on right now. Very simple design, stylish. Again, green. I like OD green. So that is the basis of the unboxing. Let's get into some really easy tech specs here. There's not a lot. It's a band. So designed for life on the move, Bandletic Samsung watch bands pair premium materials with sleek, understated style, delivering comfortable, durable Samsung watch straps that fit workouts, outdoor weekends, and any other in between. So cleaning the bands, super easy. Hand wash the nylon portion in warm water or toss it in a laundry bag for machine wash, then air dry. Make sure you don't put the metal parts in like I do and make the machine go clinkety clank forever. Wipe the stainless steel parts with a soft cloth to restore shine. No special cleaners or tools are required. Okay, so these are really neat bands. I highly recommend them. They come in a multitude of colors and styles, and very durable, very reasonable priced as well. So again, I'll put a link in the description on where you can get them. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the thank you button. And thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.